Ready to open the hood? Useful for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown. Loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. To access the EGR valve, you have to remove the airbox. To do this, insert a screwdriver into the notch located on the front of the airbow, then shift the air inlet conduit. Disconnect the electrical connections. Take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the clamping clips on the air inlet conduit on the turbo. Then, shift the air inlet conduit. Remove the cable from its hooks. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the two nuts holding the airbox. Remove the airbox by turning it clockwise and pulling it towards you. You can now see the EGR valve. Remove the electrical connections using a thin flathead screwdriver. Using a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws holding the EGR valve. The valve can sometimes be stiff to remove. You should be able to loosen it free by making lateral back and forth motions.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that both are identical. Replace the seal in the only way possible. Clean the seal area with a paper towel. Slide the valve back into position. Then screw the 3 screws back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Reconnect the electrical connector. Replace the airbox, making sure the lug is in the right place. Reattach the cable to its hooks. Screw the 2 retaining nuts back on. Place the air inlet conduit back. Then screw it back on. Reconnect the electric connectors. Reconnect the air inlet conduit. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.